Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ESES. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this analysis. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Quite the dramatic day, big volume and big price reaction. And then I do want to note though that again, each of these is 30 minutes. I bring that up because of course, there was big volume this morning and then volume totally fell off a cliff. However, the final portion of the day, you can see volume did indeed return and got some nice green candles here. So we'll see if this is the start of something bigger into next week or not. But there's no doubt about it. After volume having dropped off quite a bit, it did return in very strong fashion. So we'll see if that means anything or not. But let's first start by talking about some areas of support. Ideal level of support, hey Clay, what make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above $1.23, that would definitely be a good sign of strength. Now, if the price does drop below it, I'm not saying everything's ruined or anything like that, but that would certainly be the preferable situation. Next level of support right there at $1.05. You can see on multiple occasions the bears try to press down through there, but each and every time the bulls said, no, that's not going to happen. So there's clearly some buyers on there at $1.05, so that's a good sign. And then finally, from the big picture perspective, keep an eye on the purple line, which is the 50-period simple moving average. I realize that it's way down there and the price closed up there, but keyword there being moving average. So as time goes by, that line's going to continue to move its way upwards. So when you stop and think about it, well, what does the price need to do in order to stay above a line that's moving upwards? Well, the price itself has got to continue to move upwards, and that's what truly bullish moves do, right? So that's why I love charts. They kind of insult your intelligence when you look at them like that. So big picture perspective, it's all good. Bulls are in full control as long as the price remains above that purple line. Now, what about areas of resistance? Key level to that really stands out is right here at the $1.45 mark. You can see here, yeah, the price got above it, but that didn't last very long as price fell back below it. And then there's quite a bit of price congestion right there. And yeah, during the final portion of the day, I realized the price didn't quite hit it, but I think we can all agree it got well within the range there of that area. So $1.45, definitely public enemy number one going into next week, but no doubt about it. Very nice day today, good solid volume. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.